Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty.
So hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate. So today's video is going to be about a day in the life of a restaurant host in the US. So without further ado, please like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl dipped in chocolate uploads another video. So let's get ready with me to host a restaurant. So I have my badge that says host and has my name on it. I have on the company shirt. Seeing that I'll be running up and down behind people picnic, I have to have on a, why is this not staying? So I have on a leggings with a company shirt and hiking boots. I don't know why I have on hiking boots. And I have my apron that matches my top. Yeah. I also have a headband that matches my whole outfit. So I'm not only a hot girl in the streets, but I'm a hot girl at work where I look good, I match out, and I look incredibly good at work. I low-key look like a manager. Not even low-key, I high-key look like a manager. So yeah, I'm rocking my natural hair today because Black appreciation is always it. Period. So right now I'm going to go to my host stand and stand up and greet people and talk to them, conversate with them. I'm going to try to get some of my customers in my YouTube video, but let's see what I want. Let's see what's going on outside. So when I arrive, I would just make a marking of the names of the waiters who I have to seat. So first I have Trevor, and then I have Dario, and I have Vladimir, and then I have Nashana to be seated. Then I'm going to do a section of who gets which section. For example, we have 13, 12, and 11, which is 13, 12, and 11. Then we have 34, 34, 33, 30, 34, 33, 32, 34, 33, and 32 right over there. Not this. Then we have 22, 23, and then 34. So all these seats, they have numbers. They have the bar up there. So it's a lot of work, because I do even have to see people outside, especially when it's sunny. So when that's the case, when the place is sunny, I have to remember all of these numbers. So you have A over there, B over to the railing, C up to the mountain sides, and you have D right here. So it's a lot of work. Alright, so right now I am at my host stand. I'm going to introduce you guys to my host stand. Alright guys, so this is where all the magic happens. This is my host stand. When you enter, you're going to see please wait to be seated. You're going to see that they only take card payments and warning against the liquor violations. Yeah, I have my menus here. My silverware backups. And I have my condiments. So yeah. So basically I stand there and just be beautiful. For example, if somebody comes in, I'm going to be greetings, welcome to Sea Salt. And then they're going to be like, oh, I need a table for one, I need a table for two, or so on and so forth. And then I get them seated. So I wish somebody would come in right now so I could see them and show you guys. Or I could maybe use one of my friends to do it. Giovanni, come here. Please, it's to do one of my videos. Giovanni's gonna come and do it, so today's naturally hair day. So guys, sometimes they play different stuff on the TV. So these are some of the paintings available in the restaurant. It's so beautiful though. The restaurant that I work. So there are two customers here now, so I'm just going to write it down. So Trevana has 13 and Dario has 45. See? So this is how I keep track of the seatings. Greetings, welcome to Sea Salt. How many of us today? 5 of us. Alright, so I'm just gonna seat you guys over there and add a chair. Is that okay? I'm going to seat you right over there and add a chair. Is that okay? Alright. Alright guys, the inside is full, so this is what you call a full house. Full. Every seat and bar section is full. So guys, you can see behind me that the place is slowing down now, but we'll soon pick up. So we'll pick up in a couple of minutes. It's almost 3 o'clock. I think it's 2:30 something. No, but it will soon pick up. I'm so tired. I can't wait until lunchtime. Can't bother. I'm just tired. So guys, there's a little amount of people here right now, so I'm going to switch over to the other restaurant. But before to that Nationality, guys. So before I switch over, I'm going to take lunch, and then I'm going to switch over. I don't know what I want to eat today. I'm feeling a burrito, but man, a burrito money, guys. So I'm not eating a burrito today. As you see, just one person at the bar, and some people out there. So guys, I'm now walking to the other restaurant. The road is kind of busy, and also the sun is coming out, so there are more people on the road. I'm heading over. The other restaurant is basically across the street. I will maybe leave work earlier today, seeing that, oh shit, there's a lot of dogs here and I'm afraid of dogs. So I'm really tired, so I'm going to leave work early today. So yeah. So guys, I have reached my second job. I'm going to show you my station and what is done here. So my whole station at this other restaurant is not like the one at the first one. This is just a small little place, but it's cute anyways. So guys, something funny just happened a while ago. Somebody came into the restaurant and they were drunk as a nit, and they caused such a big uproar in the restaurant just now. So this restaurant is almost at full house. Like if we get 6 more tables, it will be at full house. But just now was so hectic. I couldn't video it because I could maybe get sued. But it was so funny. Alright guys, this video wasn't taken today, but this is some of the things I do. Like we do closing where we clean some parts of the restaurant. This is me mopping, and this is me doing silverware, wrapping silverware, so that in the morning whoever works at the restaurant will have it easier. So guys, the restaurant is now empty, and the servers and everybody is doing the clean up. I got my head, come tired. So I'm gonna go home now. I don't wonder if we take the shuttle or ride, but it's best if we keep my bicycle at the house than feed that work and I'm not get a taxi or nothing. For come to work, I'm a friend for sleep late. So I'll do that. I ride my bicycle home. Also, it has been a good day. I am now going home and showing them my bicycle, my piece of bicycle and all. So thanks for watching. I hope this shows you a little bit of what I do. So let's go. This is my girl. I'm gonna get her sprayed. I think I should spray the bicycle or I should leave it alone. And I feel like I want to spray it. I feel like I want to spray the bicycle, but I know so I'm not got there like long for a spray bicycle and them something. I catch your brother some. I don't know why I want to spray bicycle. I know I'm not got there for long. But I want to spray the bicycle so it look presentable. Because these are barbs. These are barbs. I want to ride Panaba. Let us come out wrong. These are barbs and I want to ride a bicycle that looks appropriate for a barb. My hair gone all over. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna go home. So that is another vlog. I'm gonna wash my ear and I'm gonna do my ear. So watch out for a maintenance vlog. I think I'm going to go out on my day off, which is next week. So guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when I get to chocolate upload another video.